That's Brittany calling.
Please, just answer it.
Hello?
Ooh, Lordy. My head is like really hurting.
Yeah.
Hurting. Tell them that. I don't know what.
Brittany said that was her friend that
I know
said
that. I'm not that stupid.
She said she knows that and she's not that stupid.
Hey, my bitch. Wait. Stupid.
Somebody just said that out the blue, whoever. And it wasn't Brittany.
That's a coincidence.
So you don't go and try telling nobody that it was Brittany.
Who said I was? I'm about to get an attitude. I'm just kidding. Don't say that. What happened? You put it on speaker?
Say hi to YouTube, Brittany. Brittany!
I don't want to be on YouTube.
Well, too bad.
No. Are you guys putting me on YouTube?
Yeah.
That jerk is so ugly.
I know, they feel like so stiff and junk. They feel like...
Oh my god. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
That was Brittany on the phone.
I need a way to put this on. What's it called? How do you put it on reject?
On,
Reject the call.
on the, Darn, what's that junk called? You seen that? She just magically appeared on the couch. Now her nose is all up in the camera.
You might not looking at me anymore.
No, I'm gonna look at you the whole time then.
Can you please stop looking at me?
Shut up. What's up, YouTube?
I'll kill you. Can you please stop looking at me?
Call in the bathroom. I'm on mute. Look at these little people jumping around and junk like.
I got a Uber. Yeah. Where is your mom?
It's so blurry. That said y'all going on YouTube.
Y'all going on YouTube?
YouTube!
That's her right there. And y'all can stay on. Where's she now?
Stop moving. What is she wearing? Wait, I'm about to go on iTunes. You already know. Pink Dallas! Stop! You didn't just stop, girl. Like The Billionaire by Travis McCoy featuring Bruno Mars. You know, I love me some Bruno Mars.
I want to gas myself. Do it real quick.
The heck? Get off of me.
No, you can't touch me.
Look at the jerk. See, look at what they're doing. It's so funny. They look like scarecrows. Shut. And it's so stiff.
What the hell he changed?
It's a glitch. Now he just changed. It's the same person. That's some girl. I don't know.
Ow, girl, you keep running over my toe.
Well, step back.
Step on my toe. You say what?
She just came here. I don't know where she came from though. She was here the whole time. I don't know who she be. She was here and she was here. Whoa, she's like so glitched. Like it's not even funny how glitched she is. I just bit my tongue.
That's what you get. But who?
Who? Her. Oh, she just moved. Her.
Oh.
She moved again. Her. She's that way. She just pulled my hair.
I really don't care.
This girl over here is trying me like just trying me is nothing. Like that's how she's trying me. And trying me is not nothing. Trying me is something big. Like she's with my SpongeBob blanket again.
I'm so comfortable.
We're gonna come back at you with my crib, okay? And we're gonna show you my crib, alright? Alright.